Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So today our video is about best weight loss diet for 2022, which is recommended by a dietitian. With every new year comes a renewed interest in weight loss diets, and thanks to the COVID-19 pandemic and resulting eating habits like ordering more takeout meals and eating more ultra processed foods, many of us have noticed a few extra pounds on our frames by now, which is definitely true. The number of weight loss diets to choose from appears to be endless, but that doesn't mean they are all worth trying. Some options are better for your overall health than others indeed. Among the sea of unique spins on methods to lose weight, here are some top picks that are sustainable, realistic, balanced, and 100% dietitian approved. Number 1. Mediterranean diet. A diet that mimics what many people who live along the Mediterranean coast eat, things that olive oil, nuts, vegetables, and whole grains are one of the most popular diets out there. And although most data surrounding this diet are strongly linked to the outcomes like a reduced risk of heart disease and improved cognition, following it may result in weight loss as well. And surprisingly, however, following this eating routine outcomes in comparative weight reduction as other famous eating regimens like the low carb diet, following it can uphold your well-being in an assortment of ways and in a delightful way as well. Number 2. Flexitarian diet. Made by enlisted dietitian Don Jackson Blender, RDN, the flexitarian diet joins the ideas of following a veggie lover diet with including moderate measures of creature items. Alongside the protein source rules, this eating routine recommends that individuals should limit added sugars and supper-handled food varieties that are low in dietary benefit. Data shows that people who follow vegetarian diet appears to have more weight management benefits when compared to non-vegetarian diet eaters. Following a flexitarian diet, essentially a vegetarian diet with small amounts of animal proteins sprinkled in, can offer weight management benefits while possibly helping people who enjoy an occasional lean piece of beef or a hard-boiled egg with the compliance factor. Number 3. WW. It is also known as Weight Watchers. It customizes your nourishment plan depending on a progression of inquiries. Members likewise approach support by the means of WW application, studios, and plans to give conduct change strategies. What is additional great with regards to this program is that individuals can get one-on-one help, essentially killing likely hindrances to not having the option to draw in with the program completely. What's more sincere about this program is that every member gets a remarkable focuses spending plan and zero focuses food show. It is great that this program doesn't take a one-size-fits-all approach. Number 4. The Mayo Clinic's diet. This will likely form good dieting propensities. To follow this eating routine, you should start with a 14-day lose it stage where you add 5 propensities and 5 propensities and take on 5 discretionary extra propensities in the event that you decide. After the 14-day kickoff, the live it stage starts. During this stage, you would zero in on feasible propensities. When following this eating routine, individuals can likewise utilize the Mayo Clinic diet application, which contains dinner plan choices, a food tracker, and an information base of plans. Dietary direction is given with assistance of their special food pyramid that features which food varieties ought to be eaten more as often as possible than others. A mental test at home exercises, a propensity analyzer, and other advantageous elements are incorporated also. The way that this eating routine spotlights on growing great and feasible propensities that are ideally going to follow individuals over the drawn out makes this arrangement a dietitian's blessing from heaven. Acquiring new propensities rather than just after a feast plan can assist individuals with encountering enduring outcomes. Number 5. Jenny Craig Mix-up. The freshest Jenny Craig plan goes past a straightforward eating plan and incorporates an all-encompassing way to deal with weight reduction. Alongside dietary help, this program incorporates a movement educational plan, personal satisfaction appraisal, and hydration direction. In addition, the program exploits new innovation by using an application that is connected to a remote scale for simple checking. Following a month of following this program, members might incite as much as 18-pound weight reduction as per the organization's site. While diet is a significant piece of a weight reduction plan, it isn't the main piece of a weight reduction plan. This program underlines active work, hydration, and personal satisfaction as a significant variable of a weight reduction venture alongside food decisions.